How does replying on Craigslist work? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to reply on Craigslist and how does it actually work. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are a buyer who's trying to learn more about a specific product on Craigslist and you do not find the comment section or anywhere else to contact them, well, it's very simple. If you look at the top left hand side of the product, you'll be able to see the reply button, right? So all you have to do is to just click on the reply option. When you click on the reply option, you'll be able to see reply by email, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, or AOL Mail. So if you have Gmail, you can just click on the option called Gmail in order to reply to them, and it will automatically redirect you to the Gmail page where you can simply go ahead and then enter your email and then ask more about the product. And after you send your email, and again, let's say that you are a seller in this case and that you received that email, in order to reply to that email, you just have to log into your own specific email address which you entered on Craigslist. So it's nothing much of a hassle. If you're a buyer, just you can click on the reply option to do so, and if you're a seller and you received the mail, you need to log into your inbox section to look for the reply from Craigslist email, and then you can go ahead and simply reply to that email as well. And this is how replying on Craigslist works. You might not have seen the reply button, but as you can see, we do have the reply button as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.